All right, so we are back out, day 2. Well, it's actually the 3rd day of owning the Stasics. Yesterday was too cold. No, I'm sorry, Stasics. E2s. They've been on the Stasics. We're out here at Lolly and Pop's house.
What?
Where are they at? Oh, my bad. Over there. Mama's over there holding Summit. Parks is... Hold on. Stay there. And wire just got caught on the bike, so I'm gonna go fix that. All right, Cove's gonna show us how he's ripping on his new 50. Go back, start over here so they can watch it come in. Those things are so torquey. Drove right over the berm I just made them. It is so dry out here that I can't pack anything. Like I just made this and it's just wash. Watch Cove. Whoa.
Cove almost hurt me, Dad.
Yeah, stay right here, stay right here. There you go. Good job using your feet. Now go fast on that back straight. There's Mama and Summit. Show Mom and Summit.
Parks had a huge splinter in his foot.
Hold on.
Parks.
Cove's really getting the hang of this. I've got him using his foot on the inside. Starting to teach him how to use berms a little bit to where he's not flat tracking it. There you go. That was way better. Whoa! See how whenever you give it a lot of gas right before a jump, you kind of lost control? Right there? It's because you spun out trying to give it too much gas, so you got to give it more gas way back there. But some of these, like that one, you're not really going to jump really far because it's right after a turn. So you got to go over it real smooth so it's fast. Now, show them how to do the berm. There you go. Okay, go. You better not let me beat. You better not let me beat you. Oh, Cove's got the hang of it.
Oh no.
You don't have to hit the power button again, you just push the throttle forward. Oh!